Hello dear fans. Tungsten, properties and applications. Tungsten, Latin wolframium, got its name from the German wolf and ram, cream, wolf foam. For a long time, they could not find practical use for this metal. Only from the end of the 19th century, tungsten steels, as well as various hard alloys, began to be produced from it. Tungsten is a light gray metal. In the periodic system of Mendeleev, he belongs to the 74th serial number. The chemical element is refractory. In its composition, it contains 5 stable isotopes. Chemical properties of tungsten. The chemical resistance of tungsten in air and in water is quite high. When heated, a chemical element is subject to oxidation. The higher the temperature, the higher the rate of oxidation of a chemical element. At temperatures above 1000 degrees Celsius, tungsten begins to evaporate. At room temperature, aqua regia, hydrochloric, sulfuric, hydrofluoric and nitric acids have no effect on tungsten. A mixture of nitric and hydrofluoric acids is dissolved in tungsten. Tungsten does not mix with gold, silver, sodium, copper, lithium neither in liquid nor solid state. Also, there is no interaction with zinc, magnesium, calcium, mercury. Tungsten is soluble in tantalum and niobium, and with chromium and molybdenum it can form solutions in both solid and liquid states. Application of tungsten. Tungsten is used in modern industry both in pure form and in alloys. Tungsten is a wear-resistant metal. Often alloys containing tungsten are used for the manufacture of turbine blades and aircraft engine valves. Also, this chemical element has found its application for the manufacture of various parts in X-ray engineering and radio electronics. Tungsten is used for the filaments of light bulbs. Tungsten chemical compounds have recently found their practical application. Phosphoric tungsten heteropoly acid is used in the production of bright paints and varnishes that are resistant to light. Tungstates of rare earth elements, alkaline earth metals and cadmium are used for the manufacture of luminous paints and the manufacture of lasers. Today, traditional gold wedding rings have begun to be replaced by products from other metals. Tungsten carbide engagement rings have gained popularity. Such products are highly durable. The mirror polish of the ring does not fade over time. The product will remain in its original condition for the entire period of use. Tungsten is used as an alloying additive for steel. This gives the steel strength and hardness at high temperatures. Thus, tools made from tungsten steel have the ability to withstand very intense metalworking processes. Thanks for watching.